HOBOT-SP10 Ice Scraper. Test and comparison. Cleaning performance. HOBOT-SP10 restores crystal clear views with the SSS triple-step cleaning process, dual nozzle spray wind-resistant mist, microfiber cloth wipes away dirt, and the scraper finishes by removing water streaks. When tackling tough oil-based stains like lipstick, HOBOT-SP10 wipes away up to 99% of the mark in a single pass, while other brands merely smudge and spread the mess across the glass. When tackling water-based dirt, the HOBOT-SP10 dissolves stains by spraying detergent, then immediately absorbs and traps the liquid. Thanks to its highly absorbent 3-layer microfiber cleaning cloth and durable, high-surface tension scrapers, the HOBOT-SP10 delivers ultra-clean results every time. Corners are historically the hardest areas for window cleaning robots to reach. In head-to-head performance tests across all 4 corners, the HOBOT-SP10 consistently achieves higher coverage, delivering a significantly cleaner finish. When we tally the numbers, the results speak for themselves. Across oil-based marks, water-based stains, and corner coverage, the HOBOT-SP10 leads in every category, achieving an unmatched 86% average score for total cleaning dominance. In this extreme test scenario, the HOBOT-SP10 demonstrates uncompromised cleaning power. Even when facing heavy, full-surface contamination, it dissolves and traps heavy residue without smearing,